This week's passage of the week is called History of Oreos. Each day you'll read the same passage or listen to me read it aloud. Then you'll answer different questions about Oreos. I recommend taking a peek at the questions first. That way you'll know what you're reading for. This is kind of like practice for the upcoming I Read 3 test, which all third graders in Indiana need to take. So let's get started. History of Oreos. The Oreo is a cookie that has 2 chocolate cookies with a sweet cream filling. It is called the chocolate sandwich cookie. This cookie is one of the best-selling cookies in the United States today. The Oreo biscuit was introduced or brought into use for the first time in 1912 by the National Biscuit Company, which goes by the name of Nabisco today. The name of the cookie was changed to Oreo sandwich in 1921. In 1948, the name was changed again to Oreo cream sandwich. The last change to the name of this cookie happened in 1974 when it was renamed the Oreo chocolate sandwich cookie. This is the official name of the cookie today, though most people just call them Oreos. The Nabisco Company has developed many different Oreo flavors over the years that were available or able to be obtained for a short period of time. These limited edition flavors include Peeps, Oreos, Key Lime Pie Oreos, Watermelon Oreos, and Swedish Fish Oreos. A few flavors or distinctive tastes are available all of the time. These flavors include Double Stuffed Oreos, 1975, Fudge Covered Oreos, 1987, Halloween Oreos, 1991, Christmas Oreos, 1995, and Golden Oreos, 2004. The Oreo is designed with a patterned edge and center. The name Oreo is in the center of the cookie. The 2 outer discs are chocolate wafer cookies, and there is a white cream center. Most people dunk the Oreo in milk before they eat them. Oreos by the numbers. 1 6-pack of Oreos contains 270 calories. 1 cookie has 45 calories. There have been 491 billion total cookies sold. They are sold in over 100 countries.